Hello, teacher. Hello, Ewit. My name's Tunga. I'm from group 167. Today, I would like to talk about the International Phonetic Alphabet. There are 44 sounds in the International Phonetic Alphabet. There are 20 vowel sounds in the International Phonetic Alphabet. There are 12 monophthong and 8 diphthong of vowel sound in the International Phonetic Alphabet. There are 7 short monophthong and 5 long monophthong of vowel sound in the International Phonetic Alphabet. There are 3 open diphthong and 5 closed diphthong of vowel sound in the International Phonetic Alphabet. There are 24 consonant sounds in the International Phonetic Alphabet. There are 3 important things in consonant sound in the International Phonetic Alphabet. Now, I would like to expand them by using the triangle of reality of consonant sound. This triangle has 3 angles: information angle, energy angle, and material angle. In the angle of information, there are 8 places of articulation. In the angle of energy, there are 6 minor of articulation. In the angle of material, there are 2 voicing, unvoiced and voiced. Please place 2 fingers on Adam's apple to check the unvoiced or voiced. That's all. Thanks for your listening.